Meet the Bayraktar KIZILELMA, Turkey's groundbreaking entry into the world of stealth unmanned fighter aircraft. Unlike traditional drones, the KIZILELMA is designed with a low, observable airframe, boasting angular lines and internal weapon bays that minimize its radar signature. This stealthy profile allows it to penetrate heavily defended airspace, carrying out missions that were once the domain of manned stealth jets. The KIZILELMA features advanced avionics, network-centric warfare capabilities, and can be operated autonomously or remotely. Its powerful turbofan engine enables supersonic speeds, while its agility and high payload capacity make it suitable for both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. Built for carrier compatibility, it can launch from short runways or naval vessels, expanding operational flexibility. With indigenous sensors and electronic warfare systems, it can detect, evade, and neutralize threats in contested environments. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA represents a leap forward for Turkey, signaling its arrival as a major player in next-generation aerial combat technology.